Hey, Mariah, Brian, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to discuss your business, Gamblin and Rodgers, commercial electrician. But before we get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I am with Scenic Spark SEO, and I have a passion to help small business owners, um, try to rank to the top and crush their goals. So with that, let's get to it. So I want to talk about three different topics today. Topic number one, we will discuss content. Topic number two, we will discuss backlinks and keywords. And topic number three, we will discuss citations. Now, let's get started. So, whenever I type in electrician, Albuquerque, New Mexico, I do a search for your business and you are on the 55th position. So, let's click on your website, Gamblin and Rodgers, and this is what your website looks like. Kind of scrolling down here. I like the pictures and the layout on how you zigzag the pictures. That looks pretty nice. You have a little bit more content than what I've seen in different ones. I also like that you can see that background picture right there. And let's see, you have all your contact information at the footer. That's wonderful. Okay, but so let's discuss a little bit more on content. So Google loves content. Google loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, Google has like these bots that crawl the internet 24/7, and they're constantly looking for these things so you can be at the top. So whoever is close to these are at the top. So in a nutshell, that's basically all you need is content here. So let's have a look and see how much content you have. So basically we will copy all your words and plug it in a word counter and see what you got. Okay, so you got 395 words, which is not too bad. You can beef it up a little bit. So moving on. So as far as content goes, really that's really what Google wants is 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now let's look at your competitor. Okay, type in electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico. Same thing. We look to the top. This is called the map pack. But we're looking down here. These are the organics right here. Now, but before we go to your competitor, I just kind of want to explain these top three organic positions. You have Angie and Yelp up here. Now, the reason why they're there is because they're national and they're pushing power there. But the cool thing about that is that they're not pushing power in the service area. So that's why it's easy for us to be up here. We can pass Angie. But since Wagner Mechanical is in the fourth position, we're going to have to beat them. So let's check out their website. And it doesn't look too bad. Their phone number's up here, the header. I could use an upgrade as well. Um, it's not that good looking. It's okay. I'm not too impressed by it. They actually lack content as well. They have, let's see, I believe about, I'm going to say 700 words of content. So we will check theirs out and see how much words they have. Oops, wrong button. Yep, 746 words of content. So you're not far behind them. So definitely we could beef up your content and beat them and blow them out of the water. So with that in content, that pretty much sums up content, what Google looks for in order to rank for that. Um, so let's move on to the second thing I want to talk about. The second thing I do want to talk about um, is backlinks and also keywords. So let's go to my tool, and I took the liberty in plugging in your company. And by the way, this tool is called Ahrefs, and anyone can buy it. can purchase it. It's a monthly fee. It's a really good tool. This is a live version of what your site is right now. So basically what we want to look for is the UR and the DR. The UR shows the strength of your website, and the DR shows your trust that Google has for you. So basically, to gain the trust and the strength, you need backlinks to back it up, referring domains, and your keywords to back up everything on your website. So, but what we want to look for on here is backlinks. Let's kind of look at that and see on your competitor and what they got. You have 215 backlinks. Let's look at your competitor, Wagner Mechanical. Okay, they have 2.5K backlinks. They have a little bit higher URDR than you guys. Or actually, you have a higher UR than them. Awesome. So, but their website is trusted a little bit more. They pushed all the backlinks, and what really is important is these referring domains, 656. So if we had 657, we can beat them. They have also have 12.1 organic keywords. Now we have access to all these keywords, so let's click here to the keyword section of Wagner Mechanical. Now it'll show you the volume and the KD. This is the power of, meaning pretty much basically on how Google ranks them. So enough of that. So with backlinks and keywords, that pretty much sums up that second topic that I wanted to touch base on and discuss with you today. So the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, if you come to Google and you type in electrician, Albuquerque, New Mexico, this is called the map pack. Let's go back. Sorry about that. Alright, now this is called the map pack. Whenever someone searches it up, this is the first thing that comes up along with these organics up here. Now, ideally, you want to be in these three positions. I believe yours is in the 80th to 100th position, so let's double check. Okay, moving right along. I think it's the next one. Take a quick look-see. Oh, okay. Here you are. So basically, you're in between 80 and 100 position. And all we would have to do here is, get you some ratings up here, some more photos, and try to save some keywords and whatnot. And basically, all we got to do is just optimize this, and you'll be good to go. We just got to do basically what they're doing, a little bit more what McDonald Electric's doing here. I'm pretty sure they have their stuff optimized as well. So with that, Mariah, Brian, that's about all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. The information is free, so you could do with it as you will. If you need a guide to help you through this, don't hesitate to reach out. If not, no harm, no foul. This is, like I said, yours to keep, and I hope to hear from you soon. Um, talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.